Alright, what I'm going to do here is something ultra simple. So what I'm going to make is just ham and eggs for dinner. Start off a little bit of butter, tiny little bit of oil, and what that does is it keeps the butter from burning. Alright, let me cut up some of this ham. That's a thin piece. I'll keep that for a sandwich. Let me try to pick out the thicker. Alright, that one's pretty thick. Look at that, beautiful. I mean, that's just a beautiful piece of ham. And I'll cut some of the fat off. Alright, that's that. In goes the ham. Heat it up a little bit. Alright, crack my eggs. I'm just going to make 3 because that's plenty good enough for me for dinner. And I'm going to make some toast. Just plain buttered toast. And that's good enough. And crank the heat up. And you start out kind of like you're doing a French scrambled egg. High heat really fast, and then you slow it back almost like a Western omelet. That's how I like it anyway. And this is a non-stick pan, so you got to be careful using metal utensils, but you use the round part of the fork and then just, let it rip. Almost like you're doing an omelet. Alright, let that come together for a second. Alright, give them a little flip. That's it, that's done. They're a little drier than I normally would like. Get them to the edge, almost like an omelet, and then over it goes. No salt because the ham is salty. A little bit of black pepper I like. And there you go. Nice dinner or breakfast, lunch, whatever you want, ham and eggs. So let me give this a try, and then I'm going to put some Sriracha on it because I like it like that. Ham and eggs, it's one of those things, it's just so good. Little Sriracha is kind of nice from time to time. It's great. It's going to be a good dinner. I'm going to go eat.